All right, so I saw your post on Facebook and
Yeah.
just wanted to kind of dive in. I think a lot of our students struggle with similar things you're going through. You're kind of in a creative funk, not feeling like you're enjoying what you're doing.
The general thing is like I don't want to create anything because everything I feel like I've made as of recently is just like I look at work from like 2 years ago and I'm like, I don't know how I did this 2 years ago. I'm not sure if I could do this like right now. And then, I'll see plenty of other people's work, which obviously comparing is bad, but there's like a level of satisfaction I get out of the job of going, I made a good video. And then when nothing I feel like I make is a good video, then like a good portion of the job is like no longer satisfying.
To me, that's one of the pitfalls you really have to avoid
Mm,
is one, like you mentioned, comparing yourself to other people that are doing higher end stuff or better than you, what you do. I talk about this create versus consume
yeah.
balance we have to maintain. Most people on the planet, I'd say 95% of people overconsume and undercreate.
Yeah.
And that's one of the biggest reasons and problems why people aren't successful. They're not fulfilled. They're not motivated, is because too much of their time is spent consuming and not enough time is spent creating. So that's the first thing I'd check, Chris, is check how much time am I spending watching other people's work, delving into comment sections, wasting time on Facebook forums, whatever. And how much time are you spending scripting videos, creating videos, editing, doing things that are actually creative and producing versus just consuming. And so that was the other point, sorry, was that you can't care what people think about you. Like that is a hard thing for so many people because everyone wants to be liked and respected. And guess what? If you put yourself out to the world and you actually want to make some impact and change in a larger scale than just inside your own family and a little community, if you want to get out to the world and really impact a lot of people, you're going to get criticized, you're going to get hate, you're going to get thrown shade on, you're going to get all that crap. And if you can't deal with that, you're just not going to make a big impact.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's not for you. If you
Yeah.
can't handle that, then you're not going to be able to make a big impact.
Yeah.
And so you have to decide if you are the kind of person that can't handle that and needs to stay in their little small corner of the world, or if you're the type of person that can take a beating, can take criticism, can take, people calling you names and this and that, and just brush it off and be like, I don't care. I have this percentage of haters, but I have this percentage of a lot of people that I'm helping around the world, and I know that I can help more people if I'm willing to take some crap from some people over here.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
you have to kind of dig too, Chris, and decide what personality am I?
Right.
And personally, I'm introverted. I hate being in the public eye. I hate being on camera. I hate being criticized. But a while back, I realized, okay, got a choice to make. I don't like being public. I don't like being criticized. I don't like this, but I like helping a lot of people.
Yeah.
So which is more important to me?
Yeah.
And I decided I'd rather help 1,000 times more people than I can by taking on some of that criticism. It's kind of a little bit of a self-sacrifice here. I'll take some of that so that I can help a large number of people. And because of that, I'm able to make 1,000 times more money. So there's obviously some benefits and great trade-offs to that. But there's been times within the past few years where I've thought about just quitting full-time filmmaker because of times where I was getting down by criticism and was just like, I just don't know if I can take it anymore. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
Even making $250,000 a month wasn't worth it sometimes. Some of the hate I was getting. I'm like, no amount of money is worth this. And so it has to be bigger than the money. It has to be, I am doing this because I know I'm benefiting a lot more people than I am getting hate from.
Yeah.
So that's
So
also
even at this point,
yeah.
would you say it's even gotten that much easier for you?
No, I don't think it's any easier. It's just a matter of you making that decision every single day that no, this is more important to me than the hate I'm getting. It's also it's not a matter of easier. It's a matter of where are you focusing on. The hate, the negativity is always going to be there.
Yeah.
It's harder when I delve into it, when I'm in those YouTube comments, when I'm,
Yeah.
get out of that zone. Like it's good to be aware of it and then quickly step out of it and focus your energy on the positive aspects, the growth, the the services you're providing. Focus your energy where it's feeding you more energy instead of where it's sucking energy. Hope you enjoyed that video. To see more like it, hit that subscribe button. Then head over to CourseCreatorPro.com, where we have over 100 tutorials teaching how to create, market, and sell online courses and digital products. We'll see you there.